It is moving day. I'm just doing the last few bits of cleaning up, taking the curtains down. All the furniture is gone. I'm just sweeping and wiping down all the surfaces. But moving day is finally here. So I thought I'd give you a quick tour of my empty flat before I leave it. So this is the kitchen, the flat, and the hallway. So this was my daughter's nursery. I've left the curtains up in the bedrooms for the new occupants. I've fallen in love with this wallpaper, so I'm actually going to keep it for my daughter's next bedroom because she never really got a chance to have a nursery because she's still sleeping in my room. And then this is the main room. And then the hallway. Oh, also the bathroom as well. I'll show you the bathroom. I'm really looking forward to having a bathroom which has a window, which my new house has got. The luxury of a window in the bathroom. Yes, I'm feeling excited but also a little bit sad. I have actually just been upstairs to say goodbye to a couple of the neighbours that have been here for about the same length of time as I have. They didn't realise I was moving because I've been moving so slowly over the past 6 weeks, little by little. No one's really noticed, and so they were all taken by surprise that we're leaving, but on to the next house. So I'm at my storage unit, as you can see behind me, and it's full to the brim, absolutely full to the brim. And I need to try and get everything out of here by the 20th, so 13 days, and into my very, very teeny tiny new house. So quite a mission, along with decorating the house and getting it suitable so I can move myself and my daughter into it. So let's see how we go. As you can see, by the end of the week, it was just a case of literally chucking everything in here just to get things away so that I can move out. Shocking. So I finally moved and I thought I would do a empty house tour and show you guys the current state it's in and maybe give you some idea of what I'm possibly planning to do to the place. I'm still thinking about what I'm doing and moving stuff from the storage unit into the house. But here's my little tour. This is the main bedroom, or my bedroom as it will be. It's not a great deal in this room. We've got some cool little cupboards that I quite like. I think I'm going to keep those. A fun little hole. And a double wardrobe, fitted wardrobe that I didn't realise was here. When I came to view it, I think there must have been something in front of this. So this is a good size. I'll be able to keep plenty in there. So that's something at least. It currently has laminate flooring, but I don't realise I'd rather have carpet in here. So I will take this laminate up and give it a lick of paint. And I also need to replace the door. This isn't original. This is, I don't know why. I don't know why someone would choose to have a bifold door. But it's not my cup of tea, so I will be removing that at some point. And this room is my daughter's room. It's very green. Everything in this house is very green and orange. So again, laminate flooring, that'll be removed. I'm just going to have a plain carpet. It's just what it is. It's a very square room, decent size. Got a bit of a sloping ceiling, which I actually quite like. And it's going to be painted like a mulberry pink colour in here. And the third bedroom is this one. This was originally going to be my daughter's room because it is bigger than the second room I've shown you. However, in this hideous cupboard is a boiler, and I just feel a bit weird about her being in a bedroom with a boiler, so that will be coming out. Again, very green in here, but nice sloped ceiling. There's also a built-in cupboard, so I'm going to replace that door as well. And this is going to become my office/studio room, which would be nice. Now, this is the living room. It's very teeny tiny, but it's got a lovely wood burning stove. It's got two built-in shelving units. Above that is brick, so that is the original one, so I won't be taking it. It would be nice if they were symmetrical, but they're cute either way. I've got a nice bay window. I'm gonna build a little seating area here, but this also pulls up, so I've got extra storage underneath that, which is cool. There's a little cupboard, little under the stairs cupboard. Again, you never get a chance to open any of this when you're viewing a house. So there's a little crawl space underneath there, which I didn't realise, so I can put some storage in there, clean it all out. But yeah, nice to have a little storage cupboard under the stairs. Not that it closes particularly well, but it's an old house. This is the kitchen. They call it kitchen diner, but you're not really going to get a dining table in here, but I'm going to have a dresser. And this is the kitchen. The kitchen will be taken out eventually. This is going to be a big purchase, so I'm not going to do it for a couple of years. I need to save for that. Here is the kitchen. Again, I've been moving stuff from my storage unit in here, so there are bits and pieces in here that are mine already. And then the conservatory. It's quite a nice space. This will be my daughter's playroom to begin with, and I'm going to put a dining table in here as well. And then once she's older, we will turn it into the official dining room. And then that goes into the bathroom. Which again, very orange. This house is orange and green. This is fine for the moment. I will repaint it eventually. I'm not too keen on the stark white tiles, but for the moment, it's fine. For the moment, it's absolutely fine. This has been stuck to the wall, stuck to the tiles. I'm trying to figure out how to remove that. But this room really doesn't need much decorating for the moment. So that's my little empty house tour. Plenty for me to be getting on with. Lots for me to do before my daughter can move in. We're living with my parents at the moment, so I need to get painting, I need to get flooring down. And then other bits and pieces I can do whilst we're living here and when she's at nursery and things like that. I just want to get the main bits done so that it's clean and tidy and safe for both of us to move in and live here.